Hi guys! Nag-crave ako ng bilo-bilo. Pero wala akong purple yam. At ito lang ang meron ako sa bahay. At malamig sa labas. Nag-i-snow. So, what we have here, we have tapioca. The mini ones that you can use for pudding and fruit pies. Meron akong jackfruit. Plantain. Brown sugar, coconut milk, kamote, and yung ating bilo-bilo. And I use this for my bilo-bilo.
5, 4, 3, 2.
First, let's put our coconut milk. You can put the brown sugar. I don't have white sugar, so I'm using the brown sugar. Melted ng ating kamote. Okay? Bring to a boil. Langka. And then ang aking bilo-bilo. Alright. Lagyan nyo lang ng tubig. Add water kasi sobrang dami ng ating tapioca. Okay, magsandok na tayo ng ating bilo-bilo using ang tapioca pudding. Ito mo. Masyadong creamy siya. So, let's try it. Hirap na ating kasi gano'n ka-creamy, oh. Let's go. Ito na ang ating bilo-bilo. Daming tapioca, oh. May banana. May bilo-bilo. Kamote, langka, and then kamote. So, ito yun, niluto natin. Kamote, plantain, may langka, tsaka yung bilo-bilo. Hindi na ako kumakain. Ang dami, oh. Okay, this is the bilo-bilo. This is the bilo-bilo. But I put too much tapioca. That's why, yeah, too much tapioca. But try it, Kuya Andre. It's not hot anymore. Is it hot?
A little bit.
It's hot.
Yeah.
I'm chewing medicine.
Medicine, that's not medicine, that's for vitamins.
It's a tablet.
Yeah, but still vitamins.
So, it's vitamins is type of medicine.
Be fine.
You see?
It tastes like hot water.
Tastes like hot water?
Yeah.
Why is it hot water?
So hot.
Or maybe because it's hot.
It's so hot maybe because it's hot.
Of course.
Just blow on it.
Yeah, just blow on it. Okay.
It's hot jello.
There is that orange one is
Garrett.
What's this one?
no, they're orange. That is banana. That is sesame balls. The one that you're trying to get.
Oh,
Garrett.
this.
That orange one is the kamote. Next time, eat
I'm
that.
not eating what I don't know.
Kamote, I just told you kamote, and
Yeah,
then
what is that?
and there's a jackfruit in there.
This.
No, that's banana.
It's a jackfruit.
That's a jackfruit. Is it that hot? That's why you can eat? Oh yeah, Andre's been eating.
No, it's hot.
No, they didn't like it.
Okay, how
Fine so far.
pretty much what?
Fine.
Fine. So that's what we eat in the Philippines, but less tapioca. I put too much.
Then why? Then don't put too much.
That's why it looks like that. Look like that.
It looks
Too many
like
tapioca.
frogs.
Frog egg.
Okay.
I'm eating frog eggs.
Oh. Is it hot? How about how Nathan, how'd you like it?
Yeah.
What do you mean yeah?
You said, do I like it?
Yeah.
He said, how do you like it?
Yeah, exactly. How do you like it?
Yeah.
Is that it? Any comment?
No.
Just like hot jello.
Okay. Kuya Andre likes it.
It's not
Sky.
good.